Hey guys, welcome back to the Parkerverse. With the recent release of the Final Fantasy 7 Remake, I thought I'd share with you guys an Android home screen setup for our omni-slashing hero, Cloud. So continuing with the new format, I'm going to share with you not just the home screen, but also how I took a blank image and layered it with different elements of the game. And to make it easier for you guys, I'm going to keep the timestamp for the home screen setup in the bottom right corner, so make sure you check it out. But before we get started, a quick update for those of you looking to get a hold of my live wallpaper collection. I've been working on a live wallpaper app. One app to rule them all. My whole collection available at your fingertips in one single location. So make sure you subscribe to get a sneak peek of the app and be the first to have access to my custom collection. And if you have any theme suggestions or requests, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. And we're done. Here you can see the wallpaper before and after my changes. I've added the classic cloudy green Shinra backdrop, emphasized the smoky black effects around Cloud as a throwback to Advent Children, added the planet's life stream spewing in from the bottom, and tied it all together with a nice hazy snow effect. Now let's move on to the rest of the home screen. To go in contrast with the dark skies, I've chosen to use the KWGT widget number 1 from the Rainbow Pack, indicating the date. And to complement the color scheme and stand out from the background, I've chosen to use the black and yellow icon pack. All of which running on my favorite launcher, Nova. If you like this video and want to see more just like this, make sure you like and subscribe to help support the channel. And if you have any theme suggestions or requests, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. See you next time on Into the Parkerverse.